Hi, if you want to hide your phone number on Samsung Galaxy S25, then all you have to do is open your phone app, then tap on three dots on top and go in Settings. After that, scroll till you could see tab named Supplementary Services, choose it, and find Show Your Caller ID tab. Now simply tap on it, and if you want to hide your phone number, then from this list you need to choose Never. And now when you'll call someone, it would be shown as No Caller ID tab or something like that, but your phone number will be hidden. You can also tap here and choose to always show your phone number or pick Network Default, but to hide it, select Never. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.